Tomatoes are one of the most nutritious additions you can make to your diabetes diet. Fresh, whole tomatoes are rich in fiber and have a low glycemic or GI score. Besides this, they are loaded with potassium, vitamin C, and lycopene. According to studies, people with diabetes who consume 1 or 2 medium-sized tomatoes per day has low blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity in 8 weeks. Today we will share an easy and healthy tomato smoothie recipe. Try this recipe and share your experience with us. Let's start. Chop 2 medium-sized tomatoes. Put it in a blender. Add some parsley and blend until smooth. Now pour it in a glass and add salt according to your taste, a half teaspoon black pepper powder, and mix well. Enjoy any time of the day. Next, is tomato soup good for diabetics? Learn the easiest way to make healthy tomato soup and don't forget to subscribe.